Hello everyone! So if you want to take amazing photos on your POCO X6 Pro, first of all open up your camera. Now scroll down in this bottom bar, find your more. Here it is, the rightest point. Now choose 64 megapixels. It gives us best quality on this phone. And also remember that lighting is the key. If you don't have a good lighting, I recommend you to turn on your flash. So here is your flash at the top left corner. If you tap on it, you can enable it on auto. If you tap it once again, it will be on. If you tap it once again, it will be always on, and like this it's off. So let's set it on just to show you how it works. Right now hold your phone steady and press the shutter button just like this, and as you've heard, the photo was made. Always remember to place your phone steady or hold it firmly, because sometimes shutter buttons blur shots, and it's fine. Now let's review it. So here you can find our little review. Let's open it up. We can scroll it down and scroll it out. And basically that's how it works. As you see, quality is quite good. Also we can press on HD preview, so everything works great. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.